Now, Kenya will be sending a formal request to the United Kingdom for the extradition of 2 British soldiers accused of the murder of Agnes Wanjuku 9 years ago in Nanyuki. Director of Public Prosecutions Nurdin Haji says his office, working with that of the DCI, has reached out to British officials, with the DCI expected to send a team of investigators to the UK to gather more evidence. Leila Mohammed has more.
As detectives from Kenya follow the trail of the savage killers of 21-year-old Agnes Wanjuku to the United Kingdom, the family holds on to hope they will come back with solid evidence against the suspects accused of murdering her and stashing her body in a septic tank. The Directorate of Public Prosecution now says it is teaming up with the DCI in the quest for answers for the family, their kin and the nation. Following an inquest in 2019, Judge Njeri Thuku concluded that Wanjuku had been murdered by 1 or 2 British soldiers. The judge ordered 2 further criminal inquiries, but it has been reported that the military took no action.
The court directed us to do some few things, and that is what the DCI will do, to identify the culprits and witnesses, and then when we are ready, then we proceed with the case.
9 years later, Kenya is now seeking to have the British soldiers believed to have executed the murder extradited to face charges under Kenyan law.
There might be processes we have to apply to the British government to have maybe some of the individuals who will have been identified brought before us, and the British government is willing to work with us.
The British government has maintained it is open to cooperate with Kenya's security agencies investigating the murder amid accusations that the British Army tried to cover up that murder executed by a serviceman who at the time was based at their Batuk camp in Laikipia.
Investigation leads to charges.
According to the Sunday Times, which has been doggedly investigating this tragedy for weeks, a man identifiable only as Soldier X has been separately named by at least 4 colleagues as the culprit. He is said to have confessed that night to killing a woman, leading appalled fellow soldiers to her body. The DPP, while stating that his office and that of the DCI will work together to deliver justice to Agnes's family, maintains there is no bad blood between them.
Maybe people don't understand that when you want to get interpretation and understand what is required, you go to the court. It doesn't mean that you're fighting. And I think the Supreme Court made it very clear that criminal matters are dealt with the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions.
Leila Mohammed, NT.